What's going on, guys? I'm going to be changing the headlight on this 2001 Prius. The first thing you're going to do is going to start by removing this reservoir. Take off the radiator cap for the coolant reservoir. And then there's a little thing that this thing slides up off of. Just kind of just slides in and out. Take that off. Check out this side. You're going to also want to take out this little clip that goes on in this this hole right here. It will allow you to pull this up and out, allowing you to reach access into your headlight. Now it's raining right now, so got an umbrella above me. Anyway, so bear with me. What you're gonna do is you're going to end up taking off. You're gonna end up taking off this plug and also this boot. So this boot's gonna be sitting there like this. It's gonna be sitting there like that. You're just gonna take this out, pull it out, and then this is actually kind of hard to pull off. It's just a piece of plastic, like really tight on there. Anyway, after you get that off, this is what you're gonna see. What you're gonna do is you're gonna push this side all the way on the left and push down towards you and up, and it's gonna release this lever, and a light bulb should just come out, and that's it. Go back in, you're done.